is indefinite. Perfect. Okay. Search. There we go. No need to turn the pages over too much. Idiom. Alright, so are you ready to start? Wonderful. Let me get my sparkling water ready. You know, the usual. My nail broke this weekend, so I'm gonna have a hard time opening it. That sounds good. Okay, perfect. Cheers. Nothing like a good cold drink to start off your study session. Okay, so hand it over. You know what I'm talking about? Yes, the test. I know you got it this week. Not this week, today. I know you got it today. So let's see. Hand it over. Why is it like this? Oh, you were nervous? You wanted to see it together? Okay. Alright. Let's see it together, okay? You got a 96. I'm so proud of you. This calls for another. Cheers. Yeah, you can drink your soda. I don't care. I won't. Okay, so we're doing just one last review before your final, right? Okay. So, alright. So, just do easy peasy. So, we have the source right here. Okay. Now, what are the two words that you needed to define? Okay. So, the first one is indefinite. Perfect. Okay. Okay. So, indefinite. We have our handy dandy dictionary right here with us. Okay. Let's search. Okay. There we go. Alright, okay, so it's right here. Indefinite. Indefinite means lasting and unknown you're unsure of what. Basically, this is indefinite. Basically means a question mark. A question mark for a particular subject, right? And so, indefinite, one of the synonyms that we can use for indefinite is vague. Exactly right. It means exactly that. Vague. It means who knows, unsure, this or that, just generalized. Alright, perfect. Well, that's one out of the way already. You just need to practice how to spell it, because it's got a lot of I's and just a lot of I's, and I had a hard time spelling it out just now, so don't make the same mistake I do, okay? Alright, what's the next one? The next word is idiom. Oh my goodness. idiom. Idiom. Yeah, not idiot, idiom. Okay. It's a difficult word to pronounce too, isn't it? Idiom. 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 It's cool though. Okay. So idiom. Now idiom. This is a cool word. Okay. And we're on the same eye, so this is perfect. We don't need to move the pages. We don't need to turn the pages over too much. Idiom, 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 idiom. Okay, yes, I know what it is, but I'm trying to give you... Okay, you want my definition? Yes, okay. Idiom, 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 idiom. Okay. So my definition of idiom is a set of particular words put in a specific order for a certain meaning different than of the words meaning individually. Okay, I know that was very long, but you were the one who said you wanted my definition. So here's my definition. So, of course, I'm going to explain that to you. So what it means is, I'm going to give you an example. This is going to be so helpful. So, one example is, have you heard the saying, it's raining cats and dogs? Yeah, exactly. See, now that is what we call an idiom. I just need a little break, sorry. So, that idiom, okay. So, it's raining cats and dogs. We know what that means. It means that it's pouring outside, right? It's raining crazily. So, we don't actually mean it's raining cats and dogs. We just mean it's crazy out there. It's pouring. It's just crazy. Okay, I'll give you a few more examples to help you, okay? Another one would be a ray of sunshine. Now that's a positive one. When do you usually say that? You've used that before, right? Yeah, exactly. So when do you use it? love. Right? So, when you describe the person, they're like a ray of sunshine. What do you mean by that? Right. Exactly. You mean that person is happy. You mean they're nice. They're all like good feels and good vibes. Perfect. Exactly. Just one more to just hardcore lock it in. Okay. Another one. Another very, 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 very commonly used and simple one is a piece of cake. Exactly. Okay. Yeah. So a piece of cake, tasty. It just means it was easy. Like stealing candy from a baby. Exactly. Perfect. And then that was it. You don't have anything else? Nothing else? Okay, I guess we're done here. I can't believe. Okay, yeah. Listen, don't be nervous. You got this. You're already proving us that you got this by the last test. So don't be nervous and just do what you did for this one, and you'll be fine. Where are my glasses? Did you see my glasses? What? Oh my gosh. I don't know, I had it on my head the whole time. Okay, that's embarrassing. Alright. Why do I have it on now that we're done? Okay, now, so I guess we're done for today. And all you have is your final now. And I'll see you after that then. Let's hope for the best. And no, let's not hope for the best. I know you're gonna do great. You're gonna do great. Just practice, practice, and practice. Alright? Okay. Hi, thank you for tuning in. I hope you liked today's video. If you liked it, hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to join our Patreon. We have new videos every day. Thank you. Bye. I hope you take a moment to join me on Psychetruth.patreons.com, where you will find dozens of exclusive videos that